long tunnel, huh?
Oh. Mahaba-haba tong kwan. Subway.
Ang galing.
Oh,
Very nice.
kaya kahaba tong ginawa nilang subway.
China is number 1.
Impressive.
We have like this in the Philippines, but very short. Very short.
So big.
This one is long. Yes, very long.
Ang haba ng subway na to. Oh, tunnel, oh.
It's mountain, right? Mountain.
Yes, under the mountain.
Under the mountain.
卫星定位信号弱，位置更新可能不及时。
比如说中国五大名山，咱今天去的是其中之一。
Mahaba to.
对不对？会翻译不会？